The major aim of this lower secondary school curriculum is vocationalization of education, which also means improving the quality and relevance of secondary education. The Ministry of Education, of course, counts on well-established schools like Uganda Matters in Namugongo to be able to we expect to look at you, Namugongo, to be at the forefront of embracing and implementing this transformational approach to education. Some have embraced fully this new curriculum, while others, particularly the private schools, are having funny excuses that it's very expensive, it is what, but I pray that Namugongo takes the lead and we implement fully this transformational curriculum. We should together put an end and bury the criticism of how theoretical Uganda education system is. It's a journey, but a desired goal and destination we are seriously working towards achieving.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.